Hey, we have Xiaomi's latest budget phone with us, the new Redmi 8. In this video, we will unbox it and share our initial impressions. For the box, the front carries 3 renders of Redmi 8, signifying the 3 color options available: Onyx Black, Ruby Red and Sapphire Blue. Further, storage specs are mentioned on the bottom. Redmi 8 comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Customers can also opt for the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant as well in some regions. Now let's take the plastic cover off. In our region, the warranty card is wrapped in a separate plastic cover outside of the main box. Now that the warranty card is out, we can cut into the actual plastic cover sealing the phone. Just like any other traditional Xiaomi box, the top part slides off. Inside there is a large cardboard envelope that has a tab up top for easy access. Within the box, we first get the SIM tray eject tool. Next up, we have the paperwork enclosed in the silicone case. There is a standard user guide along with warranty information. Next up, taking a look at the silicone case, rather than being clear, it is tinted black. Finally, now we can take out the Redmi 8. There is a plastic bag in which the phone ships in order to avoid scratches during shipping. Also, there is a front protector that lists key specs of Redmi 8. The phone carries a large 5000 mAh battery, 6.22-inch HD Plus dot drop display as Xiaomi calls it, 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel dual rear cameras, and lastly Snapdragon 439 processor. Respectable hardware for an entry-level phone. Viewing the rear, Xiaomi has taken this unique approach where the dual cameras and fingerprint sensor have been moved to their center, and then they have been housed in this matte finish which has Redmi written on the bottom. This cluster gives Redmi 8 a distinctive look from the back. While the phone is powered on, let's take a look at the rest of the box. The phone rests in this cardboard piece which also acts as a divider between the accessories. Being a budget phone, we get a charger within the box. This unit can go up to a maximum of 10 watt. Further, there is a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable which can be used for data transfers and charging. That's all for the box. Hopefully you liked our unboxing and initial impressions. We will be publishing a complete review on teamandroid.com quite soon. Until then, do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more unboxing, helpful tips and useful Android videos.